Mice are a very persistent pest. They are able to fit through a hole about the size of a dime, and finding the entry points are going to be your best tool in order to catch them, period, humanely or not humanely. If you can go around the perimeter of your home looking for entry points along the foundation, up on the roof line, or anywhere else you might suspect they're getting in, make sure you close that off and set a live trap if you want to catch them humanely. A lot of people do have success sealing up entry points and setting live traps, which you can find online or at your local hardware store, and setting up those traps in areas they're known to frequent. You can use different baits to lure them into the humane trap. I typically like peanut butter because we can get that pretty easily. But if you can figure out what they're looking for or are already eating in the home, that is a great bait or lure to put in that humane trap. Once you've caught the mouse humanely and you've made sure that the entry points are sealed up on the outside of the home, feel free to release that mouse back on the property. Sometimes that's a great way of checking your work and making sure that you've found their entry point. If they show back up in the house, then you know you still have some more work to do. So that is how you can humanely catch mice.